See that, gas? That's where you want that horn at, right there in the grill. Nice and loud, nice and loud. Hey, what's going on, guys? Back to you with another video. On this video, this is not a how-to. It's not a how-to video because I'm pretty sure they got plenty of these videos on how to install these. They're pretty simple. It's just a matter of the location where you're going to put them at. Today, I'm going to be installing this on the 2004 Chevy Suburban. And, you know, I see a lot of people installing these like in the rear of the vehicle, and then they complaining that it ain't that loud, which you should try to install it somewhere up in here, or in the grill. And I'm gonna try to rig something up to install it in the grill so it'll be loud as possible. And I agree with you, if you put these in the back, it would not be loud. These is not like the trumpet horns where you put the horns in the back and you face them down, then they echo off the ground. You know, you got to get these somewhere up close up front so you can hear it. You know, like I said, they come with the relay, but I won't need a relay on here because I'm not using my factory horns. These vehicles come with fuse and then the relay for the factory relay for the horn. You normally would need a relay if you was using these with the other two horns, but I'm disconnecting the other two horns and only using this one. So therefore, I won't need no relay. I've been doing it like that forever, never burnt out no relay, never popped a fuse or anything like that. Trust me, you will be good to go doing it that way. So basically, like I said, this is not how-to. I'm just showing you that I'm finna install this and I'm gonna let you hear how it sound. Basically, so you can get a general idea in case you want to pick one up. In my other video, I did an unboxing of it. So I'm pretty sure in this video, it's like an update video. You want to hear how it sounds. So basically, I'm just going to take these covers, pop these off, and remove this cover to try to get down in the grill and see what I can do if I want to put it there. Because like right now, I don't have, none of my horns are working. Where they working, but it sound awful. I don't even want to blow it to let y'all hear it. Sound like somebody coughing. And like people be jumping in front of me, and I can't, like people be swerving in front of you. You can't like notify them the horn. And I suggest these too. If you got like a little low horn and people always can't hear you, I suggest you get one of these. They sound pretty nice. But anyway, let me get to this. All right. All right, guys. Got the cover and stuff off of the grill. Get access behind the grill. But let me take this off real quick. Pull these push rods out. Whatever you want to call them. Alright, this is where the horn at. For those who didn't know on this vehicle. This is where the horn at. Where is that horn at? Let me pull this out. I think it's behind here. Push this tab in right here. Push this tab in, then this whole light come out right here. And then that is the horn sitting down here, where you can get access to the wire. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the plug that comes out the horn wire right there. Alright, it's the green and the black. Those are wires I'm going to be using for the air horns. I probably just ground it and then just run a green to that green wire, but I disconnect it. I'm going to do the same for the other side. Disconnect them just for the cause I told you I'm disconnecting them, not using them. One of them don't work, and then one of them barely work. So, let's get to it. Hey guys, this is some of the things you're gonna be needing right here. female spades right here. Terminals, then the ground ring terminals are here. Then you're gonna get you some wire. 16, 18 gauge, 20 gauge, cool. It's nice, that's thick enough for it. But like I said, this is not a how-to. I'm just basically showing you, so you guys can hear it from a part 2 from my other video. I did an unboxing of it. Pretty sure you guys want to hear it, so I'm just showing y'all, basically the install. All right. You see what I did, guys. I had a bracket that I had drilled a big hole in here to mount the bolt through it came with, and a bunch of holes. I probably have to drill a bunch of more holes. I'm gonna strap it some kind of way to there so you got the fabricated. That's why I want to do a how-to, because I just want you to hear it. Basically, you come up with an idea by yourself of where you're gonna put it at, because there's a lot of things you can do and a lot of fabrications you could do to maybe get it or work whatever you got. Maybe you'll find something different spot than I got, but this is what I got for now. So let me go ahead and get it in here. All right, guys, now let me show you how I got it mounted. See that? The bracket, I got 2 straps at the top, 2 straps at the back. And the reason why I put that bracket on there, because I don't want to be screwing nothing or bolting nothing to the front of here with these radiators up under here. And nothing can come good from drilling up by the radiators and stuff, all that stuff. So, and look at it, it's super tight. It ain't going nowhere. It's mounted nice and secure. And then the horn right there, let me see it. The horn sound come right out, so it's gonna be loud as possible. And then you gotta run the wire, hook it up, loom it, then I'll let you guys see how it turned out. All right. All right, guys, basically got everything installed, got everything loomed and ran. And remember, guys, this for if you're trying to mount this to here, use a little piece of I use these right here, self-tapper screws, self-drilling screws. So it's easy just drilling there, and a piece of sandpaper to scratch the metal so it'll make good contact. Ran all the wire through, loomed it up. Haven't strapped that yet though. Haven't strapped the wire loom. I just ran it through there. Loomed this up, hooked it to the green. That's the trigger wire off the horn. And then I grounded it. Like I said, you don't need the relays on here because I'm not using the factory horns. I disconnect the factory horns, so that relay would be good for that. If I was tying it into the horn, keeping the horn, I would have to use the relay that it came with, which would look something like this. All right, and now to test it out. I'm gonna press the panic button on the alarm. It blows the horn, and it should work. Let's see. And that's pretty loud, man. Just imagine if you just like laid on a horn like boom. And like I said, it's nothing that's blocking it from sounding. It's right here in the grill. So a lot of people said that these bad boy horns wasn't loud. That's because a lot of them wasn't putting it in the grill. And sure, don't get me wrong, it's not the loudest thing out. It is horns louder, but it's pretty loud. It definitely gets your attention. And I see a lot of people mounting them all the way back there. And like I see one guy with a pickup truck mounted way back there. And honestly, his horn that came in his Ram truck sounded better than this bad boy air horn. That's because the location that he put it. Had he put it in the grill, he would have got much better results. I've seen someone put it back there, someone put it flat down with the part that the air supposed to come out, it'd be like facing right in front of something. That part supposed to be open like this, like up in the grill. You see that? See that square opening right there? Right there? That's supposed to be free so that stuff can come out. But let me put this stuff back together, guys, and I was just basically showing you how it sounds. And that's going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos. Y'all be safe out there. Y'all know what time it is in the world. Y'all keep them masks on and just do what you got to do. All right? I'm out. Later.
Perfect.